Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is circle the matching small letter in each row. KG1 class, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. KG1 class, these are the capital letters and we will circle the matching small letter in each row. Okay students, let's start. The first letter is E. This is the capital letter E. Let's see where is the small letter E. Here is the small letter E. Now students, we will circle it like this. The next letter is F. This is the capital letter F. KG1 class, do you know where is the small letter F? Here is the small letter F. Now students, we will circle it like this. The next letter is G. This is the capital letter G. Let's see where is the small letter G. Here is the small letter G. Now students, we will circle it. The last letter is H. This is the capital letter H. KG1 class, do you know where is the small letter H? Here is the small letter H. Now students, we will circle it like this.